Hi everyone, this is me Aish and welcome back to my channel. Before we move ahead, this video is co-sponsored by IIDE and they have some exciting stuff available for you that you can benefit from, especially if you're a digital marketing beginner or digital marketing enthusiast. So stay tuned because we'll be talking about that in the video soon. The online world is constantly evolving thanks to brands, businesses, influencers who are finding new ways to help audiences buy, engage, or connect online. So, if you're planning to kickstart your digital marketing career, now is a great time. In layman's term, anytime you come across a post, for example, that says sponsored, or the video ads that you come across on YouTube, they don't roll out randomly. All of these ads are targeted to audiences basis all the data and insights they have for you as a user or a user like you. The digital marketing world is vast and it's easy to get lost or feel intimidated. So in this video, I'm going to help you with a basic checklist that you can go through for kickstarting your career in digital marketing. Step 1 is pick your niche. So everyone has a different role in a digital marketing team. So it's important to identify what interests you and what can help you amplify your skill sets better. So you have paid advertising, which is essentially engaging with audiences on platforms that they are spending the most time on. You have SEO, which is building the organic growth of your website or, for example, your blog. You have analytics team, which is analyzing all of these data sources. There's content marketing team, email marketing. There's, of course, influencer marketing, which is on the rise. You have a client servicing or a media planning team, which is essentially a point of contact for your client and ensures that all of these platforms are delivering as planned. So as you can see, there are multiple segments to a digital marketing role. So before stepping into the digital marketing world, it's important to have a holistic idea of all of these segments. Which brings us to the co-sponsors of this video, which is IIDE. So IIDE has a free digital marketing masterclass and they'll be covering all of these multiple digital marketing segments that we were talking about. This masterclass is free and you'll be also getting a certification. The duration of the masterclass is only 45 minutes. The best part about it is that it's already recorded, so you can learn at your own pace. So the link for the masterclass is in the description of this video. I have taken the masterclass myself, so you can definitely sign up and take the class. Step 2 is get your free certifications in place. Now, I have spoken about this in one of my previous videos as well, which is you can always get Google certified, Google Ads certified. It's completely free and you can learn about search, display, remarketing, analytics, all of it. Even working professionals like me or my colleagues, we still keep doing the Google Ads certification because it keeps getting expired every year. So it's important to stay updated with what's happening in the digital world with these certifications. So you can use the link in the description to learn more about Google Ads certification because I'd highly recommend that you do it. Step 3 is internships. Reach out to your network for internship opportunities. You need to make a start somewhere and even starting small can be hugely beneficial for you. LinkedIn is a super active platform, so you can follow small companies or even top company pages, follow their HRs and reach out to them for opportunities. Step 4 is a full-time certification. Now, I get this question a lot that should I be doing a short-term course or like a long-term course in digital marketing? And I personally do not have the right judgment to speak on this because I never did one. But also, I started my career a long time ago and now the competition is fierce. So if you do not have a network or somebody that can help you kickstart your digital marketing career, it can be a little difficult to get into the industry. It's important to adapt to changing times, and if you're certain that you do want to make a career in digital marketing, then you can definitely do a digital marketing course with institutes that offer you internship or placement opportunities. So IIDE have specific curated courses basis your requirements that you can sign up for, and they also help with placement opportunities. They can help you with internship or even your first job. They have tied with companies like Publicis, Dentsu, Shebang, Connect. And I have personally worked myself for a few of these agencies, and I can vouch that these are phenomenal places to kickstart your career. Step 5 is stay updated on trends. Follow digital marketing related news, publications, social handles. I'm sure you must be already following handles like Social Samosa or Mad Over Marketing to stay updated on trends. But what point we're trying to make here is what may be relevant today may be old news tomorrow. So it's really important that you stay ahead of the game by being updated on the digital marketing trends. Digital marketing field values creativity a lot. So I would highly recommend that you start posting your work on social media handles. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching the video this far. So in conclusion, digital marketing is the fastest growing field right now, and now is the great time to kickstart or even upscale your career. Check out the description for all the links that we discussed about in the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description as well. This is me, Ash, signing off, and I'll see you next time.